Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial expert Eli Sterling. We've got a packed show covering everything from Bitcoin's sharp reversal to geopolitical tensions impacting global markets. Eli, let's dive right in. Bitcoin has erased all its 2025 gains. What happened?
Absolutely, Maya. Bitcoin surged to an all-time high weeks ago, but has now wiped out over 30% of those gains. We're seeing a rotation from tech-heavy crypto assets to broader equities, largely due to cooling retail sentiment and macroeconomic headwinds. Fed policy and rising U.S. yields are playing a role too.
And speaking of macro headlines, President Trump signaled support for legislation that could impose 500% tariffs on buyers of Russian oil. How does this fit into the bigger picture?
It adds another layer of geopolitical uncertainty. Sanctioning major buyers like China risks escalating trade tensions, especially amid ongoing disputes, such as the China-Japan spat, causing nearly 10% drops in Japanese retailers reliant on Chinese tourism revenue. These ripple effects are hitting risk assets hard.
Let's turn to technicals. Our systems flagged a bearish trend in Bitcoin Tether using the Ichimoku Cloud strategy. Can you walk us through what that means for traders?
Sure thing. The Ichimoku Cloud shows price consistently below the cloud, with the Tenkan Sen under the Kijun Sen. Classic bearish signals. Key resistance sits around 108,786, while support is near 92,300. Traders should watch for any rally attempts getting capped at that cloud level.
We also see similar weakness in Ethereum. Ethereum Tether is trading below its 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. What does this tell us about market structure?
It suggests deep correction mode. Ethereum is holding just above the swing low at $2,960, but until it breaks above $3,193, the 0.236 Fib level, bears remain in control. Combine that with a strongly negative moving average convergence divergence and relative strength index near oversold, and we're looking at a cautious hold pattern for now.
Switching gears to stocks, NVIDIA is drawing attention ahead of earnings. The 4-hour smart trend indicator shows a visa-shaped recovery after a high-volume flush. Is this a buying opportunity or trap?
It's tricky. Bulls defended key support at $184 to $185, and price remains above the rising trend line. But recovery volume is fading, so momentum isn't fully confirmed. If it holds above that zone, we might see a push toward resistance at 197 to 199. A break below 184 flips the bias.
Finally, gold is being called a better hedge than Bitcoin right now. Would you agree?
In times of panic, yes. Historically, gold sees massive liquidation events along with equities. While Bitcoin correlates negatively with tech stocks, gold tends to retain value longer during systemic stress. That said, both have roles depending on your portfolio goals.
Thanks, Eli. For our viewers, keep an eye on Fed commentary tomorrow, NVIDIA's earnings, and watch for any breakout moves in oversold cryptos like Solana and Cardano. Stay informed, stay safe. We'll be back same time tomorrow.